Hey guys, welcome to another episode of What's Inside, The Critical here. Today we're looking at the Starleaf 5140 GTM, Streamline 5140, Huddle, not sure what it's called. It's a very interesting looking device. Interesting. Anyway, I saw one and bought it because it had a Windows Embedded Standard license, which usually I can associate with some sort of x86 hardware. And I've already mangled the heck out of mine, but here it is. The shape should be fairly... Yeah, that... Have you figured out what it is yet? Not yet? No? Well, it's a Intel NUC with an i5 5300U, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 64 gigabyte SSD. Well, that's weird. Did they do anything to it? What makes it Starleaf? Well, I suppose it would be this chip. Now, I have no clue what it is, and I have not looked into it, but I'll leave that to you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.